Today, we will explore the fascinating behavior of the cheetah at Zoo Kemaman. Gurau je doktor, kat Zoo Kemaman mana ada cheetah? But we observe an animal that is just amazing and even more social, the Asian elephant or Elephas maximus. So let me introduce myself first. My name is AISYAH LATIF from AS201-6A. So in this video, we will go deeper in topics about communication and social behavior of Asian elephants at Zoo Kemaman. So first of all, introduction to elephant. Elephants are the most intelligent and social mammals in the animal kingdom. They usually live in groups and depend mostly on communication and cooperation to maintain social relationship. They communicate through vocal sounds, physical contact, chemical cues, and body movement. Their complex behaviors make elephants an excellent species for studying animal behavior. In addition, elephants are recognized as a keystone species because their activities, such as dispersing seed and habitat modification, help maintain ecosystem balance and support biodiversity. Animal communication refers to the transfer of information from one individual to another through different types of signals. Communication allows animals to coordinate their activities and interact effectively with other members of the group. In elephant, communication is important for maintaining social bond, expressing emotion, and responding to changes in their environment. During our field trip observation, the elephants frequently extended their trunk and sniffed and gently touched visitors' hands, cups, and clothing. This behavior represents olfactory and tactile communication. Elephants possess an exceptionally advanced sense of smell, and they use their trunks to gather information, identify individuals, and assess their environment. We also observe rhythmic ear fanning and gentle tail wagging. This body language signals indicate that the elephants were calm, relaxed, and comfortable in the presence of humans. This visual communication communicates a non-threatening emotional state to both other elephants and nearby individuals. Social behavior refers to interaction among individuals that influence survival and reproductive success. In highly social animals such as elephants, this interaction helps maintain cooperation, reinforce social bonds, and improve the overall stability of the group. Social behaviors also promote tolerance and facilitate adaptation to both natural and managed environment. There are several forms of social behavior were observed during our visit to Zoo Kemaman. The elephants calmly approached the perimeter fence and allowed visitors to take photographs without displaying aggression. This behavior demonstrates interspecific socialization and suggests that the elephants have become habituated to human presence and associate humans with positive interaction. We also observe elephants standing close together and walking side by side within the enclosure. These behaviors strengthen social bonds and reinforce herd cohesion. Furthermore, when several elephants gathered at the feeding barrier, they respect each other's space and took turns reaching for food without fighting. These are the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis of significant analysis of trunk extension behavior of the elephant. To test this hypothesis, behavioral observations were collected. The duration of trunk extension behavior was measured in 10 observation intervals, each lasting 30 seconds. During the active feeding phase, the elephants show relatively high trunk extension duration, ranging from approximately 15 to 25 seconds per interval, with a mean duration of 20.4 seconds. In contrast, during the non-feeding exploration phase, trunk extension duration were much lower, ranging from approximately 2 to 9 seconds, with a mean duration of only 5.3 seconds. An independent sample t-test was conducted to determine whether the observed difference in trunk extension duration was statistically significant. The analysis produced a calculated t-value of 12.261 with 18 degrees of freedom, and the p-value was less than 0.0001. Since the calculated t-value is much greater than the critical value of 1.734 and the p-value is lower than the significance level of 0.05, the null hypothesis was rejected and the alternative hypothesis was accepted. In conclusion, the elephants observed at Zoo Kemaman demonstrated various forms of communication and social behavior. The use of olfactory, tactile, and visual signals enables elephants to gather information and maintain social relationships. Their cooperative interaction, tolerance, and group cohesion highlight the importance of social behavior in maintaining stable elephant societies. Furthermore, as a keystone species, elephants contribute significantly to ecosystem functioning and biodiversity conservation, emphasizing their ecological importance beyond their behavioral characteristics. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.